Join me as I dive into the world of fleet management and see if I can uncover the secrets behind the millions being wasted. Can I find a way to save that cash? Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Fleet management is a crucial part of many businesses, responsible for keeping vehicles on the road, deliveries on schedule, and revenue flowing in. Without effective fleet management, companies can quickly find themselves hemorrhaging money due to inefficiencies and wasted resources. Fleet management involves a lot more than just making sure vehicles are running. It's about optimizing routes, managing maintenance, and ensuring compliance with regulations. When done correctly, it can be a huge asset to a company, but when done poorly, it can be a major liability. The financial implications of poor fleet management can be staggering, with millions of dollars being wasted on unnecessary fuel, maintenance, and other expenses. This is a problem that many fleet managers are all too familiar with, and it's an issue that needs to be addressed in order to prevent further financial losses. Effective fleet management requires a deep understanding of the complex interplay between vehicles, drivers, and routes. It involves leveraging data and analytics to identify areas of inefficiency and implementing strategies to improve performance. By doing so, companies can unlock significant cost savings and improve their bottom line. Poor maintenance practices are a major issue for many fleet managers, leading to breakdowns, accidents, and costly repairs. Underutilized vehicles are another problem, sitting idle for long periods of time and wasting valuable resources. Lack of data analysis is also a significant challenge, making it difficult for managers to identify areas for improvement and optimize their operations. Fleet managers often struggle to balance the demands of keeping vehicles on the road with the need to reduce costs and improve efficiency. This can lead to a range of problems, from inefficient routing to inadequate maintenance, all of which can have a major impact on the bottom line. Many fleet managers are unaware of the extent to which their operations are being impacted by these issues. They may be struggling to keep up with demand, but not realizing that their struggles are being exacerbated by poor management practices. In addition to the financial costs, poor fleet management can also have a significant impact on customer satisfaction and loyalty. When deliveries are late or fail to arrive, it can damage a company's reputation and lead to lost business. The issues facing fleet managers are complex and multifaceted, requiring a comprehensive approach to solve. This involves investing in technology, such as fleet management software, and implementing data-driven strategies to optimize operations. Real-world examples illustrate the challenges faced by fleet managers. For instance, a company may have a large fleet of vehicles, but lack the systems and processes to manage them effectively. This can lead to a range of problems, from inefficient routing to inadequate maintenance. By leveraging data and analytics, fleet managers can identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to optimize their operations. This can involve investing in new technologies, such as telematics and route optimization software, to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Implementing a key strategy or tool, such as fleet management software, can help managers cut costs significantly. This software provides real-time data and insights, enabling managers to make informed decisions and optimize their operations. By optimizing routes and reducing fuel consumption, companies can unlock significant cost savings and improve their bottom line. Fleet management software can also help managers to improve maintenance practices, reducing breakdowns and extending the life of vehicles. Recapping the main points, poor fleet management can have a major impact on a company's financial performance, customer satisfaction, and reputation. To prevent financial losses, it's essential to address these challenges and implement strategies to improve efficiency and reduce costs. In conclusion, effective fleet management is critical to a company's success, and by leveraging data and analytics, managers can identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to optimize their operations. The importance of addressing these challenges cannot be overstated, as the financial implications of poor fleet management can be severe. The key to success lies in implementing a comprehensive approach to fleet management, investing in technology and data-driven strategies to optimize operations. By doing so, companies can unlock significant cost savings, improve customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.